Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I hope you've been enjoying these box openings. I've been having a blast doing them, let me tell you. This is Marlene with Dixie Quilters. And like I said, welcome. Thank you for coming. This is day 11. Here we are. Can you see the 11? I'm trying to keep track of what day I'm on. I have to look at this to see. Oh, I'm on 11. Okay, day 11 for the box openings for Soft Squares by Lynn Co. and Mr. Fix-It. And they do a live sale every Monday at 4 p.m. Mountain, which makes it 5 p.m. in Pacific. And earlier for all of you on the points east. And then we have Keepsake Quilting. And then we have Crazy Moose from Wisconsin, which is a new entry this year. Okay, last year I just did the Soft Squares 25-day box, which was fabulous. But this year I got the 12-day to see what was different, and 12 days from these other people too. So let's go forward with day 11. Here we go, number 11. Number 11, there's our sticker, our Icker sticker. It feels like a book and a video. Something in a plastic container. Let's see. I love these little scissors. I've made sewing kits for each of my older grandchildren. And the little boy said, "Well, where's mine, Grandma?" And I said, "Oh, okay, well, we better put one together for you, too." Oh, wow, look at this. A log cabin creative grids tool. Wow. And it's for making, how big of them? 1/4, oh, no. Create the perfect 4-inch log cabin, half log cabin, or courthouse step block. Interesting. And here's a book to use it with. Annie's Quilting. I have Annie's books. I think I've got the Annie's Christmas one, and I've got the Annie's Strip Quilting, and I think I may have an Annie's something else book. But I think they're great. 10 fresh new designs on log cabin. The first one has a house and a star, predominantly. The second one, let's just go through them. We have time, right? The second one, oh boy, this is beautiful. This reminds me of my Christmas present that I'm going to get. Oh yeah, I ordered it for myself. It's called, I got it from Soft Squares on a fabulous deal on a Monday night sale. Well, I'll think of it. It's right over there, but I can't read it from here. It's got a lot of those little feathered stars in it. This is beautiful. Summer cabin. The inspiration. I love the versatility of a log cabin block, and I love the fabric. Wow. Okay, so we could definitely do that one. Now this one is a little bolder. That one's log cabin square dance. Again, that's pretty much a feathered star looking appearance too. I took a class on making a feathered star quilt, but I only made the first block. And the lady says, "Why, now that's a good beginner block." And I thought, well, heck, that's going to be in the quilt. But I ended up making it into a wall hanging in Christmas colors, and it's beautiful. Okay, this third one is called Spunky, and it's using the courthouse, a square and a square, I think. Is that what that's called, a square and a square? Let's read. Star blocks scattered among colorful cabin blocks. So it's a cabin. Stars and cabins. So it's a sawtooth star and a log cabin block together in 10-inch finished. Okay, so here we go. Do any of these require a 4-inch? Let's look at that. This block size is 7, because see, this guy makes a 4-inch. So Summer Cabin is a 7-inch block. Square Dance is a 12-inch block. Spunky is a 10-inch block. Cloudy Day is a 12-inch block. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that one. Maybe it's this one. Inspiration. Hearth and Home, block size 21 by 21, but it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 small blocks within the giant blocks. So let's see, are they, I wonder if they could use the 4-inch template for that. Well, it doesn't say, but, oh, it measures a 7.5 by 7.5 unfinished. Okay, that's beautiful. Okay, did I show you that one? It's the one on the cover. I'm tempted to do that one. Now let's see, here is a Lagoon Oasis. Beautiful, with a 10 by 10. I like the color play with the blues and the purples. Those are really nice fabric colors. I like taupe and gray and teal. You know, I'm making that whole big flowering quilt with those colors. But purples, lavenders, and blues, that's what's in my big paradise quilt. And that's currently with Lynn Lockhart. She says, Marlene, that's going to be on the docket for January. So, okay, we won't be seeing it until after January. So, she is so backed up. She is so sought after. Love Knot. This is a log cabin called Love Knot, and its blocks are 9 by 9. That's pretty. I don't think I'd make it. It doesn't jump at me. Oh, this is pretty. Round peg in a square hole. I like the orange. Isn't that funny? Sort of bright. Cheerful. And the black and white small print border, I like that. I have a whole fat quarter bundle of like 30 fat quarters, all in small volume blacks and whites. I got them at Reb's Fab Stash. It's fabulous. I haven't found a pattern that I really want to use them up on, though. You know, it's one of those groupings that you don't want to cut into unless you're going to really use it. So that's beautiful. Oh, this one's pretty too. This one's called, what's this one called? Tranquil Logs. That's the name of it, Tranquil Logs. But the picture of it is here. Blues and greens, very tranquil, lakeish. And the last one, or is it the last? Is there one more? There's one more. So background and foreground is what it's called. It's Easy Log Cabin, allows beginners to get going. Okay, so that's all there is in the Annie's Quilting Creative Log Cabin Quilts. 10 fresh new designs, of which this is my favorite. And a Creative Grids non-slip 4-inch log cabin trim tool. And what's neat about this is that these Creative Grids are not inexpensive. But they also come with a demo that you can look up and look how to see it or how to make it work. So those come in handy for me. Okay, so that is day 11. Soft squares. Where's the paper that goes with it? Here it is. Day 11. I really like these books and this little tool. I can't wait to see what you create with these. Please show your projects in the Soft Squares Facebook group. That's fun to do too. I've put a bunch of my projects in there, and I actually won a prize one time, and it was the little snowman kit right back here. Isn't that fun? I think that was October or November. Must have been October. All right, next, day 11 with Keepsake. There could be a pattern in here. It seems like paper. Okay, so the pattern is a Keepsake Quilting pattern called Divide and Conquer, the 12 Days of Christmas exclusive box. Also, Geometry Quilt, 12 Days of Christmas. Calls for a layer cake. This one calls for a layer cake. And this one is the Super Easy Quilt. Also, a special 12 Days of Christmas Advent box pattern requires a layer cake. So let's look at those. And you can see it has the medallion there for the Keepsake Christmas box. And Divide and Conquer. And this one has sort of big blocks so that it would be good for a fussy cut. And then we have Geometry. I sort of like that. And then included with the 3 lovely patterns that will go in my notebook is a little tiny, what do they call these? Little charm pack, 2.5-inch mini charm. That's it. And they are, I don't want to take it apart because these guys are hard to keep track of. But it's a Christmas poinsettia. There's no name on it, but it is gorgeous. So there's poinsettias, there's green foliage. There's green foliage with deer. There's raccoons. I wonder what it is in case you liked it. You'd want to get a bigger one. Plaids. It's your Christmas retro. Because it is it looks like what we would have seen for Christmas when we were young. Little. So this is beautiful. And that's the Keepsake Day 11 Patterns and Mini Charm Pack. And the 11 for Crazy Moose is a box. And it's called number 20. And I don't have what it ought to be price-wise. Oh, it's some kind of a box from Gypsy Quilter. Oh, now that looks interesting. It's called a Snip and Rip Seamer Ripper. The Gypsy Quilter quickly and efficiently removes unwanted stitching. Well, now that's, I saw somebody demonstrate this on one of the channels. I wonder what it was. I don't think it was definitely not Crazy Moose. I've not seen any other Crazy Moose openings. But this is called an electric seam ripper. And it's like a little shaver. And you run it along the seam and bzz, it gets them. And it requires a battery, which is included. And I know that is fun. We're going to do a video on how this works eventually. And it's purple. So Liz Warnke, you'll love it because it's purple. Okay. Pretty good. Pretty good. Doggone it. We can't hardly fault them. They're doing a lovely job. Let's see. Today's favorites. Wow, it's a toss-up. I like this seam ripper, and I like the log cabin and the grid. I don't know which one I like more. How about you? Can you put your comments in, please? Thank you. All right. Can you believe it? We've got one more day to go. So hang on to your hats. Please give me the old thumbs up, please. And I think it's the artificial intelligence that works with YouTube. They really like comments. I heard that on a channel that says how to build your channel. So the big thing is comments, apparently. So please, thank you very much. Just stick in there, hey, that's all. No, say hey and how are you doing? All right, thank you very much. We have one more day to go. Have a good day. Bye.